Ever wondered what the top 5 free AI tools are? As we sail further into the 21st century, the influence of artificial intelligence is becoming impossible to ignore. It's transforming various sectors, reshaping how we live and work. From healthcare to finance, from transportation to entertainment, AI tools are revolutionizing industries across the globe. These tools offer numerous benefits. They can significantly increase productivity, enabling tasks to be done more quickly and efficiently. They can greatly improve accuracy, reducing the risk of human error. And perhaps most appealingly, they can be cost-effective, offering high value at low or even no cost. In the world of AI, some tools have risen to the top, offering exceptional functionality and ease of use. These are the tools that are shaping the future, and the best part, they're absolutely free. So if you're ready to embrace the future, stay tuned as we delve into the top 5 free AI tools available today. Starting our list is the Google AI platform. This powerful tool is a testament to Google's commitment to providing cutting-edge AI solutions. The platform offers developers a comprehensive suite of features designed to streamline AI development and deployment. One of the key features of the Google AI platform is its flexibility. Whether you're a seasoned AI developer or just dipping your toes into the world of artificial intelligence, the platform caters to your needs. It allows for the creation of custom machine learning models, giving developers the freedom to tailor their AI according to their specific requirements. On the other hand, if you're a beginner or simply pressed for time, the platform also supports pre-trained machine learning APIs. These pre-built models provide a quick and easy solution for integrating AI into your applications. The Google AI platform is not just about building and deploying AI models. It also offers robust management features, making it easy to oversee your AI projects from one central location. You can track the performance of your models, adjust parameters, and even automate tasks, all from the comfort of the platform's user-friendly interface. Moreover, the Google AI platform integrates seamlessly with other Google Cloud services. This means you can easily leverage the power of Google's vast cloud infrastructure to scale your AI models as needed. And with Google's robust security measures in place, you can rest assured that your data is in safe hands. In addition to all these features, Google AI platform is renowned for its comprehensive documentation and active community. Whether you're stuck on a complex problem or just looking for some inspiration, you're likely to find the help you need. In conclusion, the Google AI platform is a versatile and powerful tool. It provides a comprehensive solution for AI development, from building and deploying models to managing them effectively. Whether you're a novice or an experienced developer, the platform has something to offer. The Google AI platform is a comprehensive tool, ideal for developers at all levels. Next on our list is IBM Watson. Hailed as one of the most sophisticated AI platforms, IBM Watson is a powerhouse of machine learning capabilities that can derive insights from data like no other. At its core, IBM Watson is an AI tool that can understand, reason, learn, and interact. It's like having a highly intelligent assistant that's always ready to help you make sense of your data. It goes beyond just crunching numbers. It delves deep into your data, interpreting it, learning from it, and providing you with valuable insights that can drive your business decisions. One of the standout features of IBM Watson is its ability to create chatbots. In today's digital world, chatbots are the new customer service representatives. They're available around the clock, providing instant assistance to customers and helping businesses deliver exceptional customer service. With IBM Watson, you can develop chatbots that not only answer customer queries, but also understand the context of the conversation, providing a more personalized customer experience. But the capabilities of IBM Watson don't stop at chatbots. It also allows you to develop voice assistants. Voice assistants are becoming increasingly common in our day-to-day lives. From setting alarms to ordering food, these AI-powered helpers are making life easier. With IBM Watson, you can build voice assistants that understand natural language, making them more user-friendly and efficient. Beyond these, IBM Watson is also equipped with AI lifecycle management capabilities. This means it can help you automate the entire process of deploying, monitoring, and managing AI models, reducing the time and effort required and ensuring you get the most out of your AI investment. In essence, IBM Watson is more than just an AI tool. It's a comprehensive solution that can handle a wide range of AI tasks, from data analysis to customer service and AI management. Whether you're a small business looking to leverage AI or a large corporation wanting to streamline your AI operations, IBM Watson provides a robust and highly intelligent AI solution. Moving on, we have TensorFlow. This name might ring a bell for some of you, and for a good reason. TensorFlow is a stalwart in the world of artificial intelligence tools. Developed by the brains at Google Brain Team, TensorFlow is an open-source library that is designed specifically for numerical computation. What does that mean? Well, in layman's terms, TensorFlow is a tool that allows you to instruct a computer to perform tasks by expressing these tasks as a computation of data flow graphs. This might sound complex, but it essentially boils down to the ability to create and manipulate numerical data, something that's absolutely crucial in the world of AI. Now let's talk about neural networks. TensorFlow excels in creating large-scale neural networks. Think of a neural network as a web of information, much like the human brain, that can be trained to recognize patterns, interpret data, and ultimately learn. TensorFlow can create these neural networks with a multitude of layers, allowing for deep learning. This is an area of AI that's seeing massive growth, with deep learning models being used for everything from speech recognition to image analysis. But TensorFlow isn't just about its neural networks, it's also incredibly flexible and scalable. It can run on a variety of different platforms, from your personal laptop to a cluster of servers, even on mobile devices. This flexibility means that developers can use TensorFlow wherever they are, whether they're a student coding in their dorm room or a professional developing complex AI models for a tech giant. Moreover, TensorFlow's scalability is a game changer. It can handle anything from a small-scale project to a massive company-wide endeavor. No matter the size of your project, TensorFlow can scale to meet your needs. In conclusion, TensorFlow is a powerful tool for developers interested in machine learning and neural networks. It offers flexibility, scalability, and the ability to create complex, large-scale neural networks. Whether you're just starting out in AI or you're a seasoned pro, TensorFlow has something to offer you. So why not give it a try? Scene script. Fourth on our list is OpenAI. A trailblazer in the field, OpenAI is not just an AI tool, but a research organization that's dedicated to ensuring that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, benefits all of humanity. So what does this mean? Well, AGI refers to highly autonomous systems that outperform humans at most economically valuable work. OpenAI's mission is to ensure that this kind of advanced AI is used in a way that benefits everyone and doesn't harm humanity or concentrate power unfairly. OpenAI is at the cutting edge of AI capabilities. Its research covers a broad spectrum of areas, from reinforcement learning to natural language processing and even robotics. Let's break these down a bit, shall we? Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns to make decisions by taking actions in an environment to achieve a goal. It's like teaching a dog new tricks, but the dog is a computer program, and the tricks can be as complex as playing a video game or controlling a robot. Natural language processing, on the other hand, is all about how computers can understand and respond to human language. OpenAI has made significant strides in this area, developing systems that can generate human-like text, translate languages, and even answer complex questions. And let's not forget robotics. OpenAI is pushing the boundaries here too, working on ways to make robots more adaptable and capable of learning from their environment. OpenAI is at the forefront of AI research and development. Last but not least, we have H2O AI. This tool is a powerhouse when it comes to data analysis. H2O AI is an open-source platform that brings the power of machine learning and predictive analytics to the masses. It's a tool that's all about democratizing data. Now, what does H2O AI bring to the table? Well, first and foremost, it's a tool that's designed to make data analysis accessible. You don't need to be a data scientist to use H2O AI. Even if you're a novice, the platform is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to navigate your way through complex data with ease. H2O AI is also versatile. It can handle both structured and unstructured data, making it an excellent tool for a wide range of applications. Whether you're dealing with numbers, text, or even images, H2O AI has got you covered. But the real beauty of H2O AI lies in its predictive capabilities. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, the platform can analyze your data and make accurate predictions about future trends. This feature is particularly useful for businesses as it helps in decision-making and strategy formulation. Moreover, H2O AI is also about visualization. It presents data in an easily digestible form, allowing you to understand complex patterns and correlations at a glance. In short, H2O AI is a tool that's all about making sense of data. It's about turning complex information into insights and insights into action. Whether you're a business owner or a curious individual, H2O AI can help you make more informed decisions and gain a better understanding of the world around you. H2O AI makes data analysis and prediction accessible to everyone. That wraps up our list of the top 5 free AI tools. We started with Google's AI platform, a comprehensive tool that allows you to build, deploy, and scale applications, websites, and services on the same infrastructure as Google. Next up was IBM Watson, an AI tool that leverages machine learning to gain insights from your data. We moved to TensorFlow, an open-source software library for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Then we touched on OpenAI, an AI research lab that publishes most of its AI research. Lastly, we discussed H2O AI, an open-source AI platform that makes it easy to build smart applications. These tools are not just free, they are powerhouses that can help you stay ahead in the tech-driven world we live in today. They can help simplify complex data, make predictions, and even automate tasks. Remember, the future of technology lies in artificial intelligence. So don't miss out on exploring these fantastic free AI tools.